Okay, I'm here with our MemberFix developer, Edgar, and Edgar is an absolute coding wizard who's been helping us with one of our customers' community that we're rebuilding in WordPress. Now, in this case, we are using the BuddyBoss platform for the community and also probably for the mobile app. And our customer is TechServe Alliance, a really great customer we've been collaborating with for almost a year now. And they have very specific requirements for their community. And one of those requirements is to have filtered feeds, which out of the box by default, BuddyBoss does not allow for filtered feeds. And so that winds up with you having a feed on your community homepage with a lot of irrelevant information or things you may not need to see or want to see. So Edgar, could you please show how the feed looks and explain what you did to help TechServe solve this problem, please?
Of course, Vic, of course. I'm excited to introduce a new feature that I developed to enhance your experience of this platform. And this feature will allow to see filtered notifications from the BuddyBoss. For example, if you don't want to see likes, if you don't want to see unnecessary information that someone sent a friend request, and you want to only see discussion-related notifications. That's why I created a new widget. Let me just show you how it looked back when I was just starting to fix the issue. Initially, the widget looked like this, and as you can see, there is a lot of unnecessary information. Alberto joined the group and unnecessary discussions that, for example, the user is not part of. And if we go to the actual website, you can see a new widgets that have been created. And for example, here, all the notifications are related to the discussions as the client wanted. The client has to be made sure that every discussion has to be visible only when you are part of it. And only in that case, it will be visible. For example, in this discussion, I'm part of, and I somehow replied to this discussion. And that's why I'm officially part of the discussion. And it will be 100% visible in the widget. And for example, if you subscribe or take it to your favorite, it will be visible too. And the client was happy with the results. And the new also, as we had the new widget, we had an opportunity to add the new functionalities to it. And for example, the client wanted for any interaction we have with the discussion to be visible again. Currently, BuddyBoss doesn't have this kind of functionality, and I have to develop with the BuddyBoss hooks, and we achieved that. Yeah,
that's what we're looking at here in the discussions tab.
For example, it's the discussions here where you are part of, customly created with the hooks, with the tags, with metadata. And here is the filtered discussion. For example, Edgar started the discussion text service, and also the message is visible. So the client wanted only two things here, and the message to be visible and any discussion-related notification. For example, the Cameron replied to discussion. We just can click and go to the discussion. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so basically what we've been able to achieve is cleaning up the community or making the community experience more user-friendly by only showing the members information that's relevant to discussions they're actually participating in, and also allowing them in this discussions tab to see the discussions in line.
Because initially we doesn't get opportunity to manage, for example, notifications to get the right ones. I personally believe this widget will significantly improve the user experience by reducing distractions, because the client also noted that distractions, a lot of distractions out there, and to concentrate more on discussions, to click on them. Yeah, that's why the widget has been created.
Okay, so this is a wonderful job, Edgar. And what we'll do is we'll make these code snippets or this code publicly available on most likely on our GitHub. And if you have similar needs for your business, you need to clean up your community, you need help customizing BuddyBoss to make it more functional and a better user experience for your members, then we are here to help you. Feel free to reach out. And Edgar and I and the rest of the MemberFix team will be very delighted to serve you. So thank you so much, Edgar, and talk soon.